National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for south-central Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, north-central Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:39 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over mainly rural areas of Vermilion Parish, near Kaplan and Gueydan, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gueydan at right around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Morse and Lions Point around 5:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Florence Landing and Fairwood. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.